Alright, so as usual, I walked out the wrong exit at the train station. Actually, I found where I wanted to go. It's called the Zhiyun Sun Road. It's a pretty massive shopping mall thing, like indoor-outdoor shopping mall. But there's also a cat cafe inside there I want to check out again. Actually, I like the original location of this cat cafe, but they moved it. It's more of like a modern style now, but it's a little more narrow, a little smaller. But still, it's pretty good cats. See up there. It says Zhiyun Sun Road. Pretty massive shopping area here. Oh, thank you. I think the cat cafe is down this way, though. I think. Could be wrong. But I think I'm right. I think it's like tucked away in a corner over here now. I think there it is. Ooh, a little crowded. See, there's a little sign for it there. A bunch of little cats. Not sure what floor it's on though. I think it's on the second floor, maybe? I'm not sure what floor it's on. I think you go up. Oh yeah. Here's the cat cafe. Let's go check out some cats. Oh, domo. Hello. Oh, doesn't like me very much. It's a very empty. Oh, this cat scared me. Not too many people in here actually. Whoa. A scary cat. Or a scaredy cat. Hi. So let's press the button to get a drink. Some grape juice or something. So nice little selection here. This cat here is very interested in my camera. That's all he wants. I think he's gonna scratch me here in a second though. He's definitely interested. It's a nice cat cafe though. Very, very relaxing. Not too many people in here. This cat really likes my gimbal camera setup here. It's a pretty nice cat. Thinks this one's friendly. Little smushed face cat. Oh. A pretty cat. Boss cat. I can pet this one at least. Oh. Nope. What do you want, cat? It's a mean looking cat. Cute though. Yeah, this is a cat cafe in Kiseshioji. It's really nice, kind of a newer, hipper looking cafe. I'm actually the only person in this cafe right now. So I guess Tuesdays are not very popular for cat cafes here. I'm literally the only one here. I think this recently got moved over here within the last year or so. So it's all still pretty new. And this cafe always has the best cats. But they literally only come to you if you have food. I don't know, I feel like spending 300 yen on cat food right now. But I kind of do this every so often. Just come to a cat cafe and hang out. Usually with someone, but today I'm by myself. So it's kind of maybe I'm a lonely otaku today. Yeah, just thought I'd come to a cat cafe and show you all about one here in Kiseshioji. I think there's more people coming in now. Big old boss cat. Yep, he has the food now. I guess I was sitting in a cat chair, not a human chair. You know, it is a human chair. I didn't see the sign. That's pretty funny. Oh, it's a little midget cat. A little hot dog cat.